Okay, we're going to do chicken cordon bleu. And chicken cordon bleu is a pound of chicken breast. You refer back to techniques under pounding meat if you need that. And chicken cordon bleu is pound of chicken, ham, and Swiss cheese. We're going to first take and roll this up, and then we're going to pin it and refrigerate it. We're going to pin it with skewers. You don't want to skewer yourself if possible. You need the skewers to stick out a little bit so you can pull them off later. Now we're going to skewer these two directions so this all holds together nicely. Take this, put it right back in the wax paper, just roll it all back up, try to hold it all back together. Now we're going to put it in a bag and back in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now that we've got it rolled, we're going to put it in a bag so we can refrigerate it. Refrigerator will help it set so we can go through the breading process later. See you in 2 hours. Hey, chicken cordon bleu. 1.5 carbs, and it's a meal for a king. Get it washed real good. We've already pulled the skewers because the meat is set fine. It's not going to fall apart. Got to shake my breadcrumbs around a little bit. And we'll get back to you when we finish. Now, we have chicken cordon bleu. .5 carbs per breast, and it is a meal fit for a king. Let's cut this in half so you see what we have here. Thank you for watching. The recipe. You fry the chicken at oil temperature of 375. You brown both sides. Then you lower the temperature of the oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You set the pan off, the lid offset on the pan. You cook it until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. Ingredients, we use an egg wash, which is eggs, a little bit of cream, and seasoning of choice. And for the breading, we use ground pork rinds. Thank you for watching.